What is up, guys? Nick B here. Let's get right into the Steam. Playing Fallout. Yeah. I'm waiting for this to close. It should be gone. I'm not sure why it's still here. Oop. Alright. A few minutes till market opens. Watching DAF. Alright, I just sat down and it looks like the market just opened as well. Yep. Alright, staying out the first 3 trades. It looks like a trending day, to be honest. Yeah. Kind of does. Little bit of a rangy day. Tiny bit of a rangy day. But nonetheless, we're not going to think too hard on the range, because it looks like there's not going to be too many significant lows or highs. It looks like what levels there are there's not going to be much support at any point in this area right here. It looks like it could be resistance right here and probably up here in this area. I sometimes rarely watch other people do like trading videos, click now, or super clickbaity stuff, and then they always mention, they always say this number here, what's the use of, they point at the level, right? They have the horizontal level and they go, oh yeah, right here at 13,968 and a quarter, just point, we could care less about the number. Especially if you're trading futures. Looks like no, we never got triggered on that first trade, so it's a double tap. First entry, second entry. But yeah, if you're trading futures, you don't really well, I'm not even a successful day trader, so I can't, but I feel like you shouldn't really need to. Unless you trade, I've seen some people, like that guy who's created Ticker Talker, and he's no, not TikTok, Ticker Talker, and he created a really pretty good strategy. I have no idea what he does, but he always calls out the number here, like 13,59 and a quarter, and obviously doesn't use NinjaTrader, but if you're using NinjaTrader, or if you day trade and scalp with candle bars, I feel like you don't really need to. Anyway, that entire rant was ironic. Okay, this watch is hurting my wrist on this hand. This is my watch. My honey bun got it for me for Christmas. I had no idea she was getting me this. It's getting crazy. That's why I hope we figure out this day trading thing, so we just give her the best presents ever. And if we do have this figured out, I want to make sure we don't buy ourselves anything. Just to stay humble and so people can give us gifts. Weird as that sounds, but I think if you have everything, I don't think people end up just feel reluctant to give you any gifts, which is weird. Probably, I don't want them to be giving me gifts, but if they wanted to, they could, I feel like there's a huge joy out of giving gifts, a huge joy, and I don't want to take that away from people. It looks like we didn't even have a trigger for this, or unless that green, yeah, we did not. Oh yeah, we did right here. So it looks like we probably would have went short. But it's a spike, so probably a buy, so we probably would have got stopped out there. But that's the first trade. And here's our second setup. Looks like we probably would have sold there. Looks like it works out. And our third setup on the swing low for Century. Pick another cell for us. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is right here. And it looks like we would have got stepped up. I don't want to take that as a double bottom. It's too far from that. But next trade we are taking. Today we'll decide, I forgot to mention, whether or not we're going to be day trading live next week. If we hit our goal, hit our goal, not close to it, not profitable, but hit our goal. Oh, that's not our signal bar. Exit this. There's the signal bar. Ooh. Ooh. Well. Ooh. So it looks like a range day, but a weird one, because I'm not sure what's going on right now. It looks like it's going to be a range. We got the high up here and the low down here. So it looks like it's going to play this range, and we got some resistance, some support here. Just bounced off the resistance, making a downtrend. So yeah, we want to go for a sell here. If we could get in this. That's actually not too far from where we were supposed to get in. So this needs to work. Nice. Nice. Sound like Batman for a second. Definitely a rangy thing going on here. Like, even if we get our goal today, it might be because of what happened here. Like, we just got lucky here and lucky there. But yeah, I don't think we'll deserve this one, to be honest. Why? What if we just end up getting lucky on you know, when we start day trading, or we were just lucky and then we start day trading and then everything just goes wrong. But we got that one pretty easy. Scalp. I didn't see it too much as support here, just due to the fact that support's like a little bit higher. Could have been an uptrend and disagreement. We would have actually. Wait a minute. Oh, actually, I think that's what it was, because we had weakness right here. I was looking at this right around here. It's supposed to be with. So if it was uptrend, you go for the buy, but weakness, so sell. Oh, actually, it's disagreement, so it doesn't matter. So we got lucky there too. But yeah, right here it looks like an uptrend, but here it looks like you kind of break that support. So maybe that's why we went for that. Swing off for Century. Actually, this might be support. Weakness, it's still a sell though. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well. Oof. That's more like it, actually. So looks like a buy. Looks like an uptrend. Agreement. Probably strength, actually. Thought it was weakness, but compared to the lows down here, it's definitely strength. So we'll count the other ones as that one. But I feel a little bit more comfortable with reading. Or with the strategy and whether or not it works and whether or not we're getting lucky. think it's still gonna be up. Sheesh. Let's try again. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, if we get stopped out here, for sure. Oh. Alright, now that's more accurate. Let's make up for what was the chaos that was going on in here. So it looks like, could have sold there if we were doing the other strategy, but seems like market's just trying to push its way back that way, and it's not becoming support. Maybe you do need 3 tests, which is interesting. So 1, 2, that'll be the 3rd test here. Interesting. Let's go for this buy one more time. It pushed on there a tick, but I think it's a downtrend. So sell. And we got agreement and strength. So come on. Yeah, boy. So actually, it's starting to seem like it's less of a range day, more like a trending day, which is weird. I think in these trades, let's see, overall trend was just down, sell. Actually, it does work out the same way. This one pretty much works out the same way if you just treat it normally. I think it might be just a normal trending day, actually. Even though it looks like a range. We'll just stick to the range because it looks like a range. Not a clear one, though. Yeah, I think this is a trending day. But it doesn't make too much of a difference for our trading strategy. This might be a 30%er if it comes... Nope. Right? I think we're up a trade, right? Or down a trade. This could be a range day. This could be support. Overall trend is up. Up. Spike, sell. Yeah, that's just a normal 30%er here. NT. Minimize. Now we'll chill. NT. Double bottom? Question mark? Yep. Nah, let's not do it. Should we do it? No, let's not do it. Swing high for century though. Should still be up. Could be down. Maybe it didn't really test these lows. I'm gonna say up. Up. Weakness. Sell. Disagreement now. I'm saying it's uptrend because we bounced off of here and there's no resistance there to bounce. Ooh. If we get stopped out, we're trying again. Oh boy. Actually, it doesn't even matter. Stepped out no matter what. NT. So it looks like a downtrend. Just disagreement itself. NT. Alright, so it's kind of a trending day then, it looks like. It's a little difficult to read for sure. Man, this market's super crazy right now. Eh. Okay. I think we're still down a trade though. Swing high for a century. Finding resistance here, but it's not. There's no resistance level there. I think overall trend is still possibly up. Unless it's playing off of this. Yeah, it looks like it's playing off this. So downtrend. Disagreement. So unless this is a flat line. Alright, this trade will decide whether this is a range day or not. Definitely not behaving like one. Yeah, NT. Well, it looks like an overall uptrend. Just go for that buy. Alright, so trending day it is. It's weird. It's do be weird. Definitely not a range day. It doesn't have the range day behaviors, and it's a little bit difficult to find where that range is. Looks like we're just getting trend lines, which is possible. Which is kind of confusing us, but let's see what happens to that last trade. But yeah, if the overall trend is just up, we just go for that buy pretty easy. Yeah, so we'll just go stick with the normal trending strategy here. Swing low for a century. Nothing, but we might get a swing high for a century. Alright. This might be a 20%er here. I think we're still down a trade, it feels like. Maybe we're up a trade. No setups yet. Ooh, today to be Friday. We are... Oh, we're up a trade. Nice. Just need 2 more trades apparently. This might be a 30%er. Trend still looks to be down just because of where the market's been heading. Could be up now after that break above there. Yeah, we could say up. Spike question mark? I don't think, not yet. It needs like a whole nother bar to be a spike. Just drop this right here. Oh my god. And that is it, folks. Just kidding. One more trade. I'm so glad the strat's working out of nowhere. We really got through those range days. I think determining whether those days are Range days is super vital, like absolutely vital. Don't know if it's gonna be enough to get us to for our live account. I don't know what kind of pressure is gonna be in our mind, or hopefully we can just treat it like this. And oh, we got pretty lucky there. But statistically, it should work out. We should have an actual strategy here. But who knows, you know, maybe the strategy just falls apart. And the only way for that to happen is if there's a consistency in the market, which is a nice thing, actually. Think about it. Because, let's say all of our trades get stopped out, right? Less than 30%, that means something else is 70%, which is literally against our strategy. So this statistically should work out. There are 100% going to be days where it seems like our strategy are 30% win rate, but even then, I think with this range thing we got going on, it should be able to help us, because our strat works amazing on trending days, like 50 to 70% win rate, which is fantastic. And then we just figured out the range thing like literally 2 days ago, and it's been treating us pretty well. We tested some days on the previous Tuesday was the only day where we got stopped out on or we bottom fragged even with the new strategy, which is perfectly fine. Yeah, we could hit our goal every single day this week. Essentially, we're about to with this next trade, but if we get it, of course. But there's a good chance we don't. Statistically, we shouldn't. But Shart's been working pretty well lately, so we'll see what happens. This volatility might be the thing that kills us here. Swing high for Sentry. It's definitely looking like a range though, but we're not treating it like such. Looks like it's gonna be uptrend. If it doesn't break below there, it's still an uptrend to us. It might do a major pullback once this triggers, so it could just be a 30%er. If it breaks below there, it's got to be a downtrend. It looks like it's not going to break down there. Okay, there it is. And that's a downtrend. Agreement. No spike yet, though. Okay, spoke too soon. And that means we have to buy. Unless we get weakness here. If this next bar closes weakness, we have to sell. Oh god, what happened? That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Easily our scalp. Alright, we should have just stuck to it. We were trying to predict the future a little bit too much, but at least we got a little bit of profit there. Yeah, but that would have been the goal. Right there. We're gonna keep him trading until we actually hit it. Yeah, one more trade. Swing low for Sentry, question mark. Overall trend looks like it's gonna be down still. Just needs just a tiny bit. Go up to here at least. There we are. Don't break this way, break that way. It's gonna break this way. I'm gonna set up. There's a good chance we bottom frag here. No, man. I feel like that might be our luck, but maybe not. I think overall trend is still down, especially based on that miniature here. Still a single bar. Kind of want to just scalp here. Oh, we should have. definitely got lucky there, but that's the goal. Super duper lucky. And yeah, that's our goal 3 days in a row, which is unheard of actually. This strat seems to be working fantastically. I thought I would be crying right now. I feel like crying. We've come a long way for this. I think we got ourselves a pretty dandy strategy here. Right now I'm trying to file my taxes. Which is interesting. We'll see how that goes. I didn't get the security code. Weird. But, nonetheless, thanks for watching. It's gonna be it for day trading. Hopefully, well, I guess we're trading live next week, next time you save me. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Oh.